Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to fill up Trinidad and Tobago online arrival form. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, this video I'm going to make on a mobile device. I've already shown you how to do it on the desktop device. So guys, many countries, we saw India too, have gone to e-arrival forms because they are easy to operate. You don't need to fill up any paper form, and most importantly, um, what happens is when you put anything on paper and you hand it over to an officer sitting at a counter, it's going to take some time for the officer to put that information in the system and then ask your question, process your case. So with this e-arrival system, the information is already in the system. You have the QR code, they scan it, pull the information. Of course, they're going to ask you questions and process as per your case. So this is not to compromise security but to reduce time. Alright, so I have opened this official website, and they have this form for both arrival and departure. Now what are the things you need? You need your email address, flight information, valid passport, and copy of passport to upload. Okay, once you're ready, tap on get started. Now for arrival, there's one new arrival and edit arrival. So when you're filling for the first time, you can say new arrival. If you've already filled and you want to make some changes before you travel, click on edit, but we'll go with new. So it's asking your status. You see it's in 7 tabs: citizen, non-citizen. Let's say non-citizen. How are you entering? I select air. Airline, select. I'm gonna put sample values, but you do actual exactly as per your case. So I put some sample values: country of departure Canada, port of departure, internet date of arrival, and you can fill it up to 3 days. So I select American. Next. Now you have to put your personal information. Anything you enter here must match with your passport. Don't do any mistake. Okay. So I'm gonna fill some sample value: first name, last name, middle name, gender, country of birth, date of birth, nationality, occupation, address, country of residence, city of residence, your contact information, email and phone number. Okay, make sure you write them very clearly and nicely. Okay, and then we are going to go to next step. So I'm going to put some sample and then I'm going to see you guys. Okay, I put sample. You do as per your case: occupation, your address, where you are living, country, city, email address, phone number. I have put sample. Okay, but you don't do like that. Travel document type: most of the people will have passport. Passport number, be very careful. Issue date, expiry date, upload for photo, biodata, page of passport. I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna tap on next step and I'm gonna see you guys. Okay, now we have gone to the destination tab. Purpose of visit, I select recreation. Accommodation type, I select hotel. How many additional person will be traveling, living, staying, I select 0. Length of stay, how many nights? Let's say 5 nights or 50. We can add. Destination address, so if you have already booked the hotel, you know the address, right? So I'm gonna put, and then I'm gonna click on next. Comes as health information: which country you have visited in last 21 days. Please check all that applies. So let's say you can enter multiple, whatever is applied. Within past 21 days, have you or any person you're traveling with experienced any of the following symptoms? I select none of the above. Then I go to next. Do you have any family members to add to your application? Okay. So like if you're up to 4 family members you can add. So like if you're traveling as a family, you can have a single form filled up like this. Click on add family member and put their information. If nothing, click on continue. Okay, now custom declaration is there. How many pieces of checked and hand luggage will be accompanying you? So I select, let's say, 2. How many pieces of unaccompanied? I select 0. Bringing food plant cut with flowers? I select no. Bringing narcotics? Wow, I select no. Arms ammunition? I select no. Commercial merchandise? I select no. But read everything and then answer. I'm just doing in rush, but don't do like that. Instruments, financials of US 5,000 or equivalent. Excess of Trinidad and Tobago dollars 20,000. Do you have any items to declare? I said this. Next step, you're going to review and submit, but I'm not going to do that. But you got an idea how to do this. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.